Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many Mac users encounter. Today, our problem revolves around initializing, partitioning, and formatting an external disk in macOS Sonoma using command line. So let's dive into the details of this issue and find a solution together. To solve this problem, we can use a simple command that will do the job for us. By running diskutil erase disk APFS name gpdisk2, we can easily initialize the external disk, create a single APFS partition, and format it. You can replace name with the desired name for the APFS volume that will be created. It's a quick and efficient way to get your external disk ready for use on your Mac. In summary, by using the command diskutil erase disk APFS name gptdisk2, you can effortlessly initialize, partition, and format an external disk in macOS Sonoma via the command line. It's a handy trick to have up your sleeve for managing your storage devices efficiently. I hope this solution helps you out with your disk-related tasks. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy computing.